Okay, let's start. Hello everyone, welcome to NEET World. In this session we are going to start with the motion in a plane class 2. In last session we have seen some part of motion in a plane, right, like vectors, scalars and projectile motions. Now we are going to deal with the questions regarding projectile motion, and then we will continue with the relative motion and we will solve some more questions on relative motion also. Okay. So let's start with the question. Oh, I guess it's fully zoomed in. Okay. Yeah. I guess the question is visible. Right now? Yeah. The maximum height attained by the ball projected with speed 20 meter per second at an angle 45 degree with the horizontal is. Okay, so before going into the topic now, like questions, let me write those formulas which we have discussed in last class. Okay, so first we will write those formulas first here. And what are the formulas we have seen? One is range, one is height, time of flight, right now? Yes. I will write those formulas here. So range equals to u square sin 2 theta by g, right now. And what about the maximum height? H will be equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, this is the max height formula and the range formula. And the third thing is T is equals to 2u sin theta by g. So these are the three formulas which we have derived in last class. Okay. Now we will go into the question. The maximum height attained by the ball projected with the speed 20 meter per second at an angle 45 degree. Yes, obviously we know that when angle is 45 degree, no, the height will attain its maximum, right now, and with the horizontal is, okay. So let me find it. Yeah. So H is equals to, okay, so u square sin square theta by 2g, okay, with the horizontal. So the thing why they have given with horizontal is nothing but this is my y axis, this is my x axis, an object has been thrown with some velocity, that is 20 meter per second, right, with the horizontal angle is 45 degree. Suppose if they have mentioned angle 45 degree with respect to vertical, in the sense I should take the angle in this direction, then the u cos theta, u sin theta will be changed, like interchanged. Okay. Now height they are asking, no, what is u? 20 meter per second. So 20 the whole square into sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square. So 1 by root 2 the whole square divide by, what is this? 2 into g they have given as 10. So we will take 10. Okay. Now we will find the calculation part. Okay. Only the calculation part is remaining. So what will be the calculation here? So it will be equals to 20 into 20 into, so this one will become 1 by 2, no, so 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 divide by how much it is? Okay, let me write this is 20. Okay, now if I see here 20 and 20 can be cancelled out, this 1 times and this is 10 times, so answer is nothing but H max is equals to 10 meter. This is my answer. Right? Can we go for the next question? I hope you got cleared, no? Since they have asked for the maximum height attained by the ball, so we have taken the formula H is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. So keep remember, like whenever I am writing sin 2 theta, denominator will be g, only g. Sin square theta, denominator 2g. Okay, only the thing you have changed in range and height is sin 2 theta and sin square theta, denominator g and 2g will come. Okay. Okay. So let's go for the next question. Fine. So the next question is, a body is thrown with initial velocity 10 meter per second at an angle 37 degree from horizontal. So what they are asking? They are asking to find time of flight, maximum height and range. So let me write those formulas first and let us calculate those things. Okay. Okay, fine. So range equals to u square sin 2 theta by g, h is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g, time of flight is equals to 2u sin theta by g. Okay, this is the thing. Now what they are asking, a body is thrown with initial velocity is u, that is 10 meter per second. Let me write that. Okay, at an angle 37 degree from the horizontal, remember that. So they told that with respect to horizontal, angle is made is 37 degree and velocity is how much? 10 meter per second. Okay, done. So find time of flight. So t is equals to 2u sin theta by g. Okay, I will help you here to find what is the angle for 37 degree and 53 degree. Okay, there is a simple trick. Take right angle triangle, that is 90 degree. One will be 53 and one will be 37. Either you can take any side. Okay, let me take this side as a 53. What about the remaining thing? It is 37, right? 37 degree. So what is the largest number in this, 5 or 3? It is 5. So take that 5 and keep it in hypotenuse. Okay, and what is the remaining number? 3. So I should keep 3 in this side and the triangle will be 3, 4, 5 triangles. So 3, the remaining number is 4 and it is 5. Now it is easy to remember this 53 and 37 triangle, no? Yes, no? Okay, so this is 3, 4, 5 triangle we will say. Okay, now what they are asking, angle 37 degree. So sin 37 I should find. Sin 37 in the sense, sin 37, this is 37 opposite by hypotenuse, no? So 3 by 5. So sin opposite hypotenuse. Cos 37 adjacent hypotenuse. Okay, no? Okay. So it is 2 times into 10 sin 37. Sin 37 is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 divide by how much it is? 10. Okay, g is 10. Fine, no? Now this is 1 times and this is 2 times. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So it is 12 by 10, which is nothing but 1.2 seconds. This is my time of flight, guys. Okay, time of flight we got as 1.2 seconds. So can you give answer for this maximum height and range? So the formulas are also here, like range is there and height is there. So quickly you can give answer for this. Yes, both range and height you should find. Completed? Okay, so keep your answer and let us do the sum here and you can cross verify the answers. Okay, yeah. So now we will go for the second one. So time of flight is completed, it is 1.2 seconds. Okay. Okay. Now height will do. So second one is height. So h will be equals to u square sine square theta by 2g. Okay. What is u? It is 10 meter per 10 meter per second. So 10 the whole square, and sine square theta. No. So sine 37 it is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 the whole square divided by 2 into 10. So this is my numbers in this equation. Now let us calculate 10 into 10 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 divided by 2 into 10. I will keep as it is now. So this is 1 times, 2 times, 1 times and 2 times. So this is 1 time and this is 1 time. Completed, no? Yes, no? So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So it is 18 by 10, which is nothing but 1.8 meter. That's it. 1.8 meter. Okay, completed, no? Okay, we'll go for the next one. It is range. Okay, so range is nothing but u square sine 2 theta by g, right? No, u square sine 2 theta by g. Now what is u square? And before that, sine 2 theta can be written as 2 times of sine theta and cos theta. Fine, no? Now what is u square? It is 10 square into 2 times sine 37 is, it is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5, and cos 37 is 4 by 5. So 3 by 5 into 4 by 5 divided by 10. Okay. So what will be the answer here? So this one will be 10 into 10 into 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 5 into 5 into 10. So 1 times, 2 times and 1 times and 2 times. Done. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 times 4, no? Yes, it's 96, huh? 96, right? Yeah. So 96 divided by 10, which is nothing but 9.6 meter. This is my answer for the range. So we got time of flight, maximum height as well as range. Okay, so we'll go for the next question. So here is the question: a particle is thrown as shown in the given figure. So here it is ux, like in x-axis the velocity is 10 meter per second and y-axis velocity is 20 meter per second. So in previous case what they have given, a velocity has been given at make an angle 37 degree. Okay, at make an angle 37 degree. But in this case what they have given is ux and uy they have given directly, and I need to find the time of flight, horizontal range and maximum height. Okay, so let me give a 2 minutes time for this and give answer for this question. We'll see. I'll write the formula also for you. Okay, so the thing is ux is equals to 10 meter per second, which is nothing but u sin theta, right? No, uy will be equals to 20 meter per second, which is nothing but u cos theta. Sorry, this is u cos theta and this is u sin theta. Sorry, u cos theta and u sin theta. Okay, ux u cos theta, uy u sin theta. and they have given directly 10 meter per second and 20 meter per second, and the time of flight formula is 2u sin theta by g. Range formula is u square sin 2 theta by g. Height formula is u square sin square theta by 2g. So I have given everything here. Only thing you need to do is the calculation part and give me the answer for this. Okay. Okay, so now we will discuss the answer for this questions. Okay, so what about the time of flight? No, so t will be equals to 2u sin theta by g. So I can take u sin theta directly. No, that is 20. Yes, no, there is no need of doing any components over here. They have given components directly. Only thing is I need to apply some logic over here. I need to get the answer for this. Okay, so 2 times of 20 divided by 10, which is nothing but 4 seconds. That's the answer. Simple, right? Got it? So 2 u sin theta will be 20, 20 into 2 is 40, 40 divided by 10 is 4. So we will do for the next one. Completed, no, this one? You got the answers now? Okay, so r is equals to u square sin 2 theta by g. We know that in the previous problem itself we have discussed no, sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta, right? No, so this one can be expressed in terms of 2 times u square sin theta and cos theta by g. I can take this u square as 2 times, no, u into u, which can be rewritten as 2 times of u sin theta into u cos theta divided by g. So when I see this formula, this third step, second step and first step, everything are same only, right? No, u sin theta is 20, u cos theta is 10. So 2 times of 20 into 10 divided by 10, which is nothing but 10 will get cancelled out. So answer will be 40. Answer is 40 meter. That's it. I guess it's completed, no? T and R. Now we'll go for H. Okay. Okay. Let me erase this one. What is H here? H is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. This is the formula. Can we write this as u sin theta the whole square? Yes, no, u sin theta the whole square divided by 2g, which is nothing but u sin theta is 20 whole square divided by 2 times of 10. Okay, So 20 whole square is 400, right? Now 400 divide by 20, 1010 will get cancelled off and this one will be 20. So answer is 20 meter. That's it. So in like what we can understand in this problem and previous problem is, in previous problem they have given the velocity and they have given the angle. I need to take the components for x axis as well as y axis and I need to solve those answers. But in this question they have given the components directly. Right now I should assume that this one as cos theta, like in horizontal velocity as cos theta and vertical velocity as sin theta, and I need to proceed with the problem. Okay, we will do the next question. Completed, right? Time of flight of an object projected with 20 meter per second at an angle with horizontal. So with horizontal in the sense like velocity has been projected with respect to horizontal, so angle should be made with respect to x axis. Okay, so whenever you are doing the problems, no, like see that angles, okay, which side they have made. So time of flight formula will be, let me draw the diagram first. So this is my x axis and this is my y axis. So object has been projected, so it has been projected with velocity how much, 20 meter per second at an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. Now this one will be my ux, that is nothing but u cos theta. This one will be my uy, which is nothing but u sin theta. So time of flight will be equals to 2u sin theta by g, right? So 2 times of what is u sin theta here? It is 2. What is the velocity? 20, no. So 20 into sin 37, no. Sin 30. Sin 30, okay. Sorry, that's sin 30, okay, not 37, sin 30. It is 1 by 2, right? Sin 30 by 10. So 10 and 10 will get cancelled off, 12 and 12 will get cancelled off. It is 2 seconds is the answer. Okay, done now. Okay, we will go for the next question. Okay, at the topmost point of its path, a projectile has acceleration of magnitude. Okay, so this is a direct question, I guess. Okay, so at the topmost point of its path, whatever path it can be, the acceleration will be g, and they are asking magnitude only, no? So it will be g only. So anywhere g won't become 0, right? Right now, so magnitude in the sense I need to consider for both x axis and y axis. In y axis it is g, in x axis it is 0. So g square plus 0 square under root I should take. Right now I will write it here. Okay, the thing I will explain here, so keep in mind. So when I try to project an object, it will go in this path. Right now we know that acceleration in y direction will be equals to minus g, acceleration in x direction will be equals to 0, and they are asking the magnitude. So a will be equals to under root of ay square plus a x square. This is the magnitude, na? Okay, so what is ay? Ay is minus g, so minus g the whole square will be g square plus 0 square, which is equals to under root of g square. Square and root will get cancelled off, it will be g. Okay, completed now? Got it? Okay, we will go for the next question. Yeah, this interesting thing, you can give answer for this easily. If a projectile is fired at an angle theta with vertical, okay, till now we have discussed about velocity has been given in the angle with respect to horizontal. Now they are asking for the vertical, then the maximum height attained by it. So it will be cos theta, that's it. like cos square theta will come. So instead of sin theta, I should take cos theta, that's it. Okay, so what we can do is here, let me write that formula for the height first. They are asking for the maximum height, no? Let me write that formula. What is the formula? U square sin square theta by 2g. This is the formula when we have taken the angle with respect to horizontal. Okay, so this is my u, this is my angle theta. So ux will be equals to u cos theta, whereas uy will be equals to u sin theta. Okay, so this is the thing. Now the thing what they have asked is, when I take a projectile, its velocity has been made an angle with respect to vertical. Now what will happen? Uy will be equals to u cos theta and ux will be equals to u sin theta. Okay, so whatever we have derived there in the previous classes, no, the thing I should exchange it. Sin theta will be changed as cos theta will be changed as sin theta. Okay, so the answer will be, instead of u square will be as it is, 2g also as it is, only thing sin square theta will change as cos square theta. So cos theta, no, it is, this one is not the answer. Sin theta, no. Sin theta, no. So answer will be fourth one, u square cos square theta by 2g. Done. We'll go for the next one. The horizontal range of a projectile is 4√3 times its maximum height. Its angle of projection will be. Okay. Can you give answer for this question? Like the thing they have said is, horizontal range is there, should be equals to 4√3 times of its maximum height. I will write that formula and the equation also and give the angle of projection. Okay. Let me write that here. Let me write over here. So the thing what they have given, horizontal range. So range is equals to 4√3 times of its height. Okay. So what is range? Range equals to u square sin 2 theta by g, where height is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. Now take this equation and substitute this equation in this equations. Okay, this two equation in this equation, that's it, and we will get the angle theta. I need to find the angle theta. Got it now? Okay. So I'll do the question over here and we'll cross verify the answers. Okay, no need to worry about that. Done. So the u square, like range I am taking, u square sin 2 theta by g should be equal to 4√3 times, yes, no, u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, what I will do is here, u square cancelled off, g and g will be cancelled off here. Remaining, like what I will do, sin theta one side and the remaining number other side I will take, or else let me expand this one. This one can be expand, no, like 2 sin theta cos theta, right? No, sin 2 theta can be said as, I will write it properly here, 2 sin theta cos theta should be equal to, yes, no, 4√3 sin square theta by 2. Okay, this 2 can be taken to the other side, it will be denominator, so 2 to 4, so this 2, this 4 will get cancelled off. Okay, this 2 is there, no, I have taken to the other side of the equation, 2 will become divide by 2. Okay, So 2 2s are 4, and this 4 and this 4 will cancel off. That's what I have written. And 1 sin theta and 1 sin theta can be cancelled. Okay. So this cos I will take one side and root 3 one side. So it will become, what I can write, sin theta by cos theta is equals to 1 by root 3, which is nothing but tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. So what is 1 by root 3 of tan theta? So it is 30 degree. That's it, no? So simple thing. I have taken that equation, I have substituted whatever they have said in the equation, and we got that angle. So angle should be in terms of like numbers, no? So what I will do, theta will be equals to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. It is 30 degree. That's it. Okay, let us go for the next question. Okay, it's clear, right? Listen here. The next question is, an arrow is shot into the air, excuse me, yeah, its range is 200 meter and its time of flight is 5 seconds. Okay, if the value of g is assumed to be 10 meter per second, then the horizontal component of the velocity of the arrow. Okay, let me write those given terms in the question, okay, separately, and I will draw the diagram also. First I will take the diagram. This will be my diagram, right? So a projectile has been taken place, it is u. Okay, now what they have given, they have given that range is equals to, yes, range is equals to how much it is, 200 meter. So what is the formula for range? U square sin 2 theta by g, which is equals to 200. What is next thing they have given? Time of flight. Time of flight is nothing but t is equals to 2u sin theta by g, which is 5 seconds. Okay, no? And horizontal component of the velocity. So I need to find what is ux, and uy I don't need to find, but I will keep. Okay, I will keep uy also. So this is my theta over here. Can you get what is the value of ux now? They have given two things, range and time of flight. Okay, I need the value of u cos theta. That's it. Okay, you got the answers. Okay, you keep answers as it is. We'll cross verify the answers now. Okay, now let me take this two terms only. Okay, what I'll do over here is I'll write r is equals to u square sin 2 theta no by g, yes, no, can be written as 2 times of u square sin theta cos theta by g. Okay, what I will do here is I will take u sin theta by g, sin 2u sin theta by g as 5. Okay, no, let me write this as 2u sin theta by g, one thing, and remaining is u cos theta is equals to how much it is, 200, right? No, so 2u sin theta by g how much, 5. So 200 is equals to 5 u cos theta, where 1 times and this is 40 times. So u cos theta will be equals to 40. That's it. So by giving, by the given terms only I have taken the answer. That's it. So only thing I need to apply the logic over here. Okay. So here, no, like how we will get the logics, no, by solving n number of questions only. Okay, by solving like different questions, we can get through the questions easily. Okay, and we'll solve 2 more questions over here and we'll go for the next topics. Okay, so the next question is, the equation of a motion of a projectile is y is equals to 12x minus 3 by 4 x square. The horizontal component of the velocity is 3 meter per second. Given that g is equals to 10 meter per second square, what is the range of a projectile is? Okay, let me write the given terms first. Okay, right. So what we know, like a projectile, equation of projectile, like projection, equation of projection, no, y is equals to x tan theta minus 1 by 2 or gx square I can write directly. Okay, no need of gx square by 2u square cos square theta. Okay, this is my equation of projectile or projection, will say. Okay, now what is the given thing? Y is equals to 12x minus 3 by 4 x square. Let me take these 2 equation and compare these 2 equation first. Okay, what will happen here is x tan theta can be equal, will be equals to 12x. So x and x will get cancelled. So tan theta will be equals to 12. Now I will take this gx square by 2u square cos square theta as 3 by 4 x square. Okay, gx square by 2u square cos square theta is equals to 3 by 4 x square. Why I have not taken minus and minus? Because if I take the minus also, it will get cancelled off in both the sides. So x square and x square cancelled off, and 3 by 4 will be equals to g by 2u square cos square theta. Okay, now what is the thing they are asking? Range they are asking. No, range is the thing they are asking. What I can do is, range is equals to u square sin 2 theta by g. This can be written as u square, 2 times of u square sin theta cos theta by g. Okay, listen carefully here, listen carefully. Here 2 u square cos theta by g is there, but here u square cos square theta is there. Can I add one more cos theta here, which is nothing but multiplied by cos theta divided by cos theta? Both are same. Yes, no, both are same. Now I can write as 2u square cos square theta by g into 1 sin theta, 1 cos theta remaining. Can I write as tan theta? Yes. Now 2u square cos square theta by g, but this is g by 2u square cos square theta. Can I reverse this? I will get 4 by 3. 4 by 3. What is tan theta? It is 12. So into 12. So 1 times and 4 times, which is nothing but 16 meter is the range. What is the answer? Option 2. Done? Can I go for the next question? Can we go? Done? No? It's clear. Okay. So whenever you are getting a equation of projectile, no, compare this equation. That's it. Compare and take the unknown terms. That's it. So the last part of the question, okay, what is the angle of projection at which the horizontal range and maximum height of a projectile are equal? Okay, sorry, exit, yeah. So range is equals to height they have given, no. What is range? U square sin 2 theta by g, height is u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, what they are asking? Angle. I need only angle theta, no? So u square cancelled off, g and g will get cancelled off. Okay, so sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to sin square theta by 2, sin square theta by 2. 1 sin theta cancelled off, this 2 will take this side and cos theta at the other side. So 2 into 2 will be 4, sin theta by cos theta will be tan theta. So tan theta will be equals to 4, that's it. So when range and height are same, I am equating, that's it, equating both the equation and getting the angle tan. Tan theta equals to 4 or theta will be equals to tan inverse of 4. So according to the question and options, I will simplify up to whatever the answer I want. Okay. So with this we will end this session of the projectile motion. Okay, and in the next session no, we are going to start with relative motion also. Okay, relative motion, the problems related to that. Okay, bye guys, we will meet in the next class. Bye.